Cole is facing new charges after a stash of weapons and ammunition is found in his home. Robert Weber was meeting with his parole officer when Blue Ash police showed up at his home with a search warrant after getting a tip it's illegal for someone on parole to have weapons. Officers found an AR-15, about 1,500 rifle rounds of ammunition, and 359 millimeter rounds, I should say. They found a taser, a machete, a folding knife, and a 9mm handgun in the car that Weber was driving. Weber was on parole after serving 4 years for aggravated robbery related to a home invasion in Sharonville. He's now in jail.